Center, American 1849, we're pan. Correction, Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. We are descending to 240 right now. We've had engine number 1 stall. It's losing power, and we are starting our descent to 240. We are working the situation now. Stand by for more information.
American 1849, roger. Can you lower by? American 1849, just advising you need to divert or anything.
Stand by for American 1849. We're figuring out where we're going to go from here. We have engine stall. Basically, our number 1 engine is not working. We're not going to be able to get it back. We're going to fly straight ahead at flight level 240 at this time. We're working on where we're going to have to divert to at this time, talking with the company and figuring out what's best because we're overweight to land anywhere right immediately, so we're just going to have to burn fuel. So that's our current situation right now, sir.
American 1849, roger. American 1849, contact Minneapolis Center 135.77, 3577, just let me know if you need anything else.
3577 for American 1849. Checklist says we need to land ASAP, American 1849. Minneapolis approach, American 1849, passing 12,800 for 10,000, and we have information, hotel.
American 1849, Minneapolis approach, runway 12 right. Do you have a gate number yet?
We're supposed to, they told us we're going to find it when we land, when we talk to ops.
Roger that. American 1849, turn right heading 020.
Right turn 020, American 1849. And Minneapolis approach, American 1849. And we're all caught up with checklists, getting all our ducks in a row, so we're ready for normal vectors to the ILS 12 right for a full stop. Expect us to taxi clear and have the ARF team look at our aircraft, American 1849.
American 1849, roger, expect that. American 1849, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 7,000.
7,000, American 1849. And for American 1849, just confirm, we did have the engine 1 stall. The engine 1 is shut down at this time. Appears that lost a lot of oil and stuff, so forth, so there could be a lot of fluids on the left side of the aircraft.
American 1849, thank you. Skywest 3861, contact approach 119.3.
Minneapolis approach, good evening, Delta 1925, descending through 16-2 via the Blumen 412 right with Unif Hotel.
Delta 1925, Minneapolis approach, runway 12 right.
12 right, Delta 1925.
Minneapolis arrival information, India current, Minneapolis altimeter 3006.
American 1849, you think you're going to be able to get off the runway fine?
Yeah, we do anticipate a normal turnoff, but once we get slowed down, we'll definitely let you know. But yeah, I'm just worried about all the, hopefully there's not a bunch of fluids and stuff coming out of that left engine.
American 1849, thanks.
Minneapolis approach, good evening, Allegiant 756, descending through the Togi 3 arrival, passing 14.6, now we've got information, hotel.
Allegiant 756, I'm approach runway 12 right.
12 right, Allegiant 756.
American 1849, pilot discretion, maintain 4,000, contact approach on 126.905, see ya.
2695, 4,000, American 1849, see ya.
Allegiant 756 for an emergency aircraft that's landing on the right. You might have to do a runway check after, so I'm going to change it to runway 12 left, fly your present heading, maintain 7,000.
Present heading, maintain 7,000, that's understood, Allegiant 756.
Delta 1925, I'll keep you updated, but there's a chance I'm going to have to change it to the left also, but you can just continue descending via for the right for now.
All right, we'll have that ready to go just in case we need to switch. Delta 1925, thanks.
Well, Minneapolis, American 1849 out of 7 for 4.
American 1849, Minneapolis approach, roger.
Delta 1925, I am going to change it to the left. You can change your runway 12 left, sliding 360, maintain 8,000.
Heading 360, descend and maintain 8,000, expect runway 12 2 left, Delta 1945.
American 1849, contact tower on 126.7.
267, American 1849,
See ya.
American 1849, emergency aircraft 12 right, ILS.
American 1849, Minneapolis Tower, wind 030 at 4, runway 12 right, clear to land, equipment standing by.
Clear line 12 right, American 1849. Yeah, we'll have arcs on the freak, but we will plan on exiting the runway, but if anything changes, we'll let you know.
Roger, thank you. Captain 5 on a 3 mile final now.
Yep, that copy. 3 mile final.
American 1849, turn left and contact ground on point 9.
Sorry, left switching to ground, American 1849 on point 9.
You gonna want the equipment to take a look at it, or you want us to secure the equipment?
That's we'd like them to follow us to the gate, American 1849.
Roger.